Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson. I know we were just talking about Christmas, but let's not skip ahead too early because it is fall, and boy, do we have some gorgeous, just nice, seasonable fall weather today. We're slightly cooler than normal, at least we were this morning, but most of us have still made it into the 60s, if not at least the upper 50s, which is right around normal really for this time of year. And look at the blue sky, still plenty of it to go around on our Princeton camera. So get outside, maybe walk the dog if you still need to do that when you're getting off of work. I think I'm going to do that on my dinner break with Ginger. And it looks really nice, really, the rest of this evening. The only thing is, of course, we're going to get cooler. Look at the lows this morning. This is how it's going to be again overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Again, highs today have been nice and seasonable. Lows this morning is slightly below average for most. We were in the 30s, if not the low 40s. Did have some frost in some patchy locations. That could happen again tonight, especially in those deep sheltered valleys or maybe even some of those really high spots. You could have some frost out there if temperatures get low enough right at the ground. So keep that in mind. If you do have any sensitive plants, just bring them indoors or maybe cover them up if that gives you peace of mind. With this nice cool northwesterly flow, we're going to stay clear and mainly dry tonight, which allows more heat to escape into the open atmosphere, and that's why we're going to get cool again this evening. Might have to turn that heat back on if you turned it off today. You can tell, though, we're a little bit warmer. This is our 24-hour temperature change map showing that we're 8 degrees warmer in Beckley than at this time. Yesterday, we're 6 degrees warmer in Bluefield. And the next few days, we're actually going to climb a little bit in temperature. So the next few days are actually looking really comfortable. Dry, too. Our satellite and radar is not showing much. High pressure's anchored over the area, and it is going to stay in control for the next several days, really through tomorrow and through Wednesday. Not expecting much of a chance of rain at all. It's going to be later in the week. We've got a front developing to the west. As usual, it's going to come in and change things up, I'm thinking Thursday into Friday. But until then, super nice weather. Tonight, mainly clear, just kind of chilly. 30s and 40s again overnight. Tomorrow looking a lot like today. Plenty of sun. We're back in the 60s. Could have some low 70s. Weak little disturbance tries to slide by tomorrow night and maybe a stray shower, but most should stay dry, just some clouds here and there. And Wednesday, we look to clear back out yet again. It's Thursday. And maybe for a while into Friday, we look to get some rain. It's still not going to be a washout, but at least some on and off showers as a front moves through. So to recap, temperatures tonight, cool. And tomorrow, we're really a lot like today. Weather on repeat through the end of the work week. Well, not through the end of the work week, through midweek, I should say. And then the end of the work week, slightly different. We get that front. Will be cooler, but dry as we head toward the weekend. Melinda?
All right, thanks, Catherine. The site of one of the darkest moments in our